Hey guys, guess what? Fucking guessed it, man. I'm back, guys. I'm fucking shooting video after fucking video. I have my schedule mapped out. It's looking good. I'm gonna bring you 9 videos, goddamn, a week, cause you deserve it. You do. I appreciate you. And we're gonna get this shit going. I don't have no weed right now because I'm really trying to get these videos pumped out. But tonight, though, roll me a little Sam. The kids go to bed. I'm gonna get me right, my boy. I hope you guys enjoyed that video too tonight. Stop playing with me, boy. We about to put some work in, my boy. Cause you asked for it, I'm gonna do it. I will do it. Not that one video a week shit no more, man. That shit's weak. Alright guys, today we got Yellow Wolf and Caskey. I hope I said that right, you know what I'm saying? I'm really bad with names. So don't ever don't cut my head off of that. Alright, been a problem. I hope you guys, if you haven't seen it, hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have seen it, I hope you enjoy the reaction. Hey, I like that little funky ass beat, what?
Been a lot of haters call it quits. Being loud, being with this head rapping shit. Been a lot of warnings, but I just been a lot of corners in that whip. Swerve to that trigger finger, make that 38 squirt. 51 and 50, bitch, I'm crazy like my net worth.
Hey,
stupid.
Hey,
boy, you looking silly,
silly as hell.
I knock that fruit up out your noodle.
Oh.
Making people educated, dropping LSD and making pupils dilated. Take a breather. The best of y'all ain't fucking with me neither. Born in December, rock a hoodie, bring a heater, too cold. No silver spoon up in the soup bowl. Not a cabinet's elaborate. I don't even know how to open up the champagne bottle on the shelf. Shot the King Louis when they told me I should sit.
Damn, where we put that book up?
Stay strong, that's a promise. That ain't just an honor to the fallen, it's a homage, no bondage. The Chevrolet is blacker than the Onyx on the pinky ring, partner. Don't tell me to be honest. Cause I ain't never lied to kick it with you fucking lame.
Not in.
If it ain't the truth, then I don't say a fucking thing.
Hey.
Wood gripping like the handle on the meat cleaver, swinging like a killer to this beat.
Boy, stop it.
Pigs too, fuck you, bacon chicken fish. Eat that
Bacon
pussy,
chicken
but
fish.
I don't eat with no pussy bitch. Peeling out real, smoking like this mic cord. White walls like the inside of a psych ward.
Hey.
Been a lot of haters call it quits. Being with this head rapping shit. Been a lot of warnings, but I just been a lot of corners in that whip. Been a problem, and I'm cool with all the shooters, cause I've been around them. Black sheep, put my gang good, Dennis Robin. Try to cross, what's the score? I forget about them. I've been on my diamond pinky ring shit to check the kingship. And I tatted up the face so I look distinguished. So my enemies know I ain't hot and get relinquished. Call my 45 to loose lips and love to sing shit. I go real raw, and my lips are like the packet sealed off. All that talking on the internet should get you killed off. This Glock hit you in the head, it's like a steel bar. I'm the same kid that had the Xanax in a pill job. Count the money twice, over analyze. Got the car, and just hit the walls, man, I'm vandalizing. She got it on herself, it look like hand sanitizer. You gon' go homie, I can't advise you. Bitch, I made gold with the dirt that they gave me. Yeah, I'm an old soul who the son of the baby. And me and Yellow Wolf made this tape, so there ain't no debating. We the hardest rappers ever came at the shady. An invitation to you imitators. Make an example out of you, you be a demonstrator. Cause I've been all around the world and never been a hater. Knock your lights out and turn my power on generator. Been a lot of haters call it quits. Being with this head rapping shit. Been a lot of warnings, but I just been a lot of corners in that whip. Been a problem, and I'm cool with all the shooters, cause I've been around them.
I've been around them. Been around all of them.
Good, Dennis Robin. Try to cross, what's the score? I forget about them.
Hey, I like that, boy. Y'all better stop out here, boy. Hey, y'all better, white boys be going hard out there, boy. I see y'all. Hey, man, y'all motherfuckers is doing y'all thing, boy. I like that. I like that, man. I like that it's just not spinning. The video, I grew up in the 90s with Busta Rhymes and motherfuckers that had creative direction. Like, they knew it wasn't just about a video, just like, you know, everybody in the club, you know what I'm saying? We had those videos too, you know what I'm saying? I do appreciate some of them, DMX and the fucking, you know what I'm saying? But, like, I grew up with Busta Rhymes where it was a lot of creation, a lot of like creativity that went into these videos. So I do appreciate when I see something like this and they take the fucking time to make it. It might seem weird and awkward, but it's not regular. You know what I'm saying? It's like, you see, it ain't that, you know what I'm saying? It ain't just all nigga, you know. And I do appreciate. I'm not gonna say I fuck with Dirk. I fuck with all those artists that do music videos like that. But you know, a lot of those guys have their, you know, their lyrics take them a long way, so they don't really gotta be too crazy. A lot of these guys now, they don't even have lyrics, and they're just standing in front of a video with a whole bunch of money, doing money talk, money hand thing, in front of cars and shit. And that's okay. I respect that. But I do appreciate when I do see creativity in these videos. So again, this is another one that I'm gonna go ahead and give. I'm gonna give it three fire flames. That shit was hot. You know what I'm saying? You tell me what you guys thought about the video. Still setting some of those recommendations for Yellow Wolf because I'm not too familiar with his music. But again, this is what makes a good reaction. I enjoyed the video. I hope you did. Remember, always stay classy. Lord Crook out.